A deserted road in the middle of the night. Seriously injured in an attack by his enemies, Mafia boss Sohan stops his car on the road. Just then, Neela, a girl from an ordinary family, is returning home in a CNG. Hearing the sound of gunfire, Neela becomes frightened and tries to run away. The blood-covered Sohan grabs Neela and starts kissing her so that the enemy gang will not recognize them. Neela says, "Let me go," and slaps him. The enemies leave without recognizing Sohan. Neela says, "Oh my god, you're covered in blood, you've been shot in the hand, get up, we have to go to the hospital." Saying this, Neela uses a piece of cloth to tie around his wound and stop the bleeding. Sohan says, "I'm not going to the hospital." When Neela tries to leave, Sohan grabs her and kisses her again. Sohan says, "If I survive, you will be mine. And even if I die, you won't be free of me." Neela says, "Are you crazy? You're talking nonsense even in this condition? Just sit quietly. I'm trying to stop your bleeding." Sohan says, "The woman who isn't afraid even after seeing an injured mafia boss is the woman I want." He orders his men to find out everything they can about Neela. Determined to make Neela his, Sohan goes straight to her house. Neela's father is an honest police officer. Neela's father says, "Sohan, you're a known criminal. How dare you come into my house? Get out right now or I'll shoot you." Sohan says, "Father-in-law, please calm down. I've come to ask for your daughter Neela's hand in marriage." Neela's father says, "Impossible. A police officer would never hand his daughter over to a mafia boss." "Neela is already engaged," Sohan says. "That engagement is cancelled from today. Tell everyone in the city that Neela belongs only to Sohan. This is not a request. It's a warning. I'll come to take Neela 3 days from now." To force Neela into marrying him, Sohan frames her honest police officer father in a false corruption case and has him arrested publicly in the middle of the street. Crying, Neela rushes to Sohan. Neela says, "How could you stoop so low? You framed my father in a false case? Release my father." Sohan says, "Your father's freedom and dignity are now in your hands, Neela. I have already called the marriage registrar. Sign the papers and take your father home." Neela says, "I'll sign. But remember this, Sohan, you can force someone's body, but you can never force their heart. I will hate you for the rest of my life." Sohan says, "I'll give you that chance. You can stay by my side and hate me." As soon as Sohan recovers, his arrogant sister stops Neela in the middle of the road. Sohan's sister says, "Hey, girl, there is 20 million taka in this bag. Take it and stay away from my brother Sohan. Girls like you only chase rich men for their money." Neela says, "Watch your mouth! I saved your brother that night out of humanity. Keep your dirty money to yourself." Sohan's sister says, "How dare you? You're pointing your finger at me while talking?" Neela says, "Not only am I pointing my finger at you, I'm slapping you too. Your brother may be a gangster, but I will never sell my self-respect." Watching the entire scene from inside his car, Sohan smiles in admiration instead of getting angry. As soon as the wedding is over, after the wedding, Sohan was on his way home with Neela when his sister's car suddenly got into a terrible accident. Neela was thrown from the vehicle and suffered a severe head injury. Meanwhile, Neela's fiancé secretly pulled her out of the car and set the vehicle on fire, making Sohan believe that Neela was still trapped inside and had burned to death. Sohan was devastated and cried uncontrollably. In his grief, he even tried to jump into the flames. Later, he put Neela's photograph on the wall as a painful reminder of the woman he had lost. Neela's parents were also completely heartbroken by the tragedy. But suddenly, Neela returned home alive, leaving her parents completely shocked. She then told them everything that had happened. One day, Sohan unexpectedly saw Neela walking down the street. He could hardly believe his eyes. But what will happen next? Will Sohan finally find Neela and discover the truth behind her disappearance?